Nand Baba came running. And Nand Baba reached the Prasutika Griha, where the pregnant lady is kept. That's the Prasutika Griha. And he said, Ari Yashoda, give me darshan of your Lala. Yashoda said, what will you give in return for the darshan, for the mukh dikhai? You see the mukh dikhai. You see the face, that is mukh dikhai. What will you offer in return? Nand Baba said, depends upon his mukh. So Yashoda said, take a look. And Nand Baba saw, he said, ooh, I offer my tan, man, pran, everything on this little child. Now the news spread. All the Brajbasis gathered. They started celebrating. They all started coming for darshan. Day followed day and the celebration would not end. Everybody would come to the house of Nand Baba. Nand Baba would offer grains, clothes, wealth, cows. He would make all the yachaks into ayachaks, fulfill the desires of everybody who would come. He was so delighted, and the Brajbasis' joy knew no bounds. They are delighted that our chieftain has got a child at this age, and such a wonderful child. Now, they were celebrating. This is not astonishing. The astonishing thing is that Lord Shiv, who was sitting in Samadhi in Kailash, he also came for darshan. And at the time of the Ram avatar, he had changed his dress. But during the Krishna avatar, he came in his original form. He had the Mund Mahal and the snake around his neck, and the scorpions hanging from here. In that original Shringar, Lord Shiv reached. He knocked on the door of Nand and Yashoda, and Yashoda opened the door to find this Babaji there, with scorpions hanging from the ears and a snake around the neck. Yashoda said, Hari Babaji, what do you want? Who are you? Lord Shiv said, Maiya, this child of yours who has been born, who is inside, I am his son. The son of his son. Yashoda said, what are you talking about? He is 2 days old. If you are the son of his son, that means in every 6 hours he's having children. Lord Shiv said, Maiya, you don't see him as a 2-day-old. He is eternal. He has descended in this world as the avatar. So, Yashoda said, Babaji, he was born from my stomach, and you say he has taken avatar. Because Yashoda has personal experience. She had the baby in the womb, and when she woke up, the womb is empty, the baby is here. So she sees him as her child. How can she believe that he is the avatar? So Yashoda said, Babaji, my hair has not become white in the sun. She is showing the seniority of her age. So don't try and teach me. Now when she showed the seniority of her age, Lord Shiv said, Maiya, do you know how old I am? Yashoda said, how old are you? He said, ever since this world has existed, I have also existed. Yashoda said that just now you said you are the son of his son. And now you are saying you are Adi Jag? What do you want? Ask, I will give it. I am very happy, I am giving everybody things. What is it that you want? Shankarji said, Maya, I don't want material things because Kuber is my servant. Riddhi and Siddhi are my maid servants. I only want darshan of your Lala. Yashoda said, Babaji, this can never be. Why? Your form is such. You have got a snake, you have got Bichu. If my Lala sees, he will become terrified. Shivji said, Maya, he will become terrified looking at me. He is Kalatma Bhagavan. Bhayadasyagnisthapati bhayatapati surya bhayadindrascha mrityu dhavati panchavah. Even death trembles in front of him. What are you saying? He'll be scared of me. Now Yashoda said, there's no point speaking to this Baba. So Yashoda said, Babaji, it seems like you have got some hysteria or something. Go and get yourself treated. And I am not going to give darshan of my Lala. Although Shankar is Jagadish, he is God. Krishna is God, he is God, they are doing Leela amongst themselves. But right now, God has taken avatar as the son of Yashoda. So Yashoda's seat is higher, she is the mother of Bhagavan. He is mine, what will you do? Lord Shiv had to return, but he did not go to Kailash. He went on the banks of the Yamuna and started crying. Same strategy. And he is crying so much, Sri Krishna is crying there. So one Sakhi, the Yashoda tried to quiet, chup, 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 chup. She used all the chattu, ghungana and everything mothers used to quieten the child. Finally one Sakhi said, did you understand something? What? That Baba who had come, he has cast an evil spell. You disrespected him, you should not have done that. So Yashoda also agreed, yes, yes, yes. After his going, he has started crying. Yashoda said, find out where he has gone. The Sakhis went here, they went there, and finally they discovered that he is sitting on the banks of the Yamuna. Yashoda went herself, Babaji, I made a big mistake. You please come to my house. If your feet fall in my house, by their dust my house will get purified. Shankarji said, Bachcha, I have decided I will not go to the house of any grihasti. So Yashoda said, Arey, nahi Babaji, it's not about you, it's about me. It's about my child, my house. Please, I beg you, I request you. The Lord Shiv now came with great pride. And moment he saw Sri Krishna saw Shiv. Sri Krishna's crying all finished. This Leela took place when Krishna was 2 days old. That Anant Koti Brahmand Nayak is doing a Leela. Why does he do this drama? You can never count the number of reasons for his avatar.